Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back. This is Rolling with Said, and you are rolling with Said. You're rolling with me, C-E-D, Said. Hey. I ain't want nothing. I'm just here talking. I'm in the car today, and I'm going to do something with this car today. I'm going to do something with this car today. You see all this sunlight on my face? You see all this sunlight on my face? This clear sunlight beaming on my face? You see it? We're going to take care of that. We're going to take care of that. We're going to take care of that. You see that window? We're going to take care of that. Today I'm going to tint the front windshield on the Porsche GTS. Yeah. I did it on the Acura. Now it's time to do it on the GTS. I did a trial and error on the, not trial and error on the, a trial and error on the Acura, and I like it. I really like it. So I thought I wasn't going to be able to drive at night with the tint on the front, but I can, and I can see well. So with that being said, it's only right that I do it for the Porsche. It's only right. Why wouldn't I do it? Because I am going to do it. I'm going to do it. If my name is Said P, I will do it. So you guys like, you guys comment, you guys subscribe, you guys share the video, and we're going to take this car and we're going to get it tinted today. So, yeah, I'll be back with you guys in 3, 2, 1. So right here is right after I got the window tinted, and this is how it looks once I first got it done. I'm just driving the car at night, and I'm trying to see, well, this when it got finished with it was at night, so I they did a pretty good job, actually. I can see out the window. It's clear. So yeah, you guys looking for tint, go to Black Optics Tint on Midlothian Turnpike in Richmond, Virginia. Right here, I'm just giving you the visual of driving during the day with the tint and driving at night with the tint, and it actually looks this. I mean, it looks, you can see out of it. So don't be scared to tint your front windshield if you can do it. You know, so yeah, and it's 35% I got on there. So yeah, I like it. Hope you guys like it too. Let me know down in the comments, do y'all like it, or would y'all do it, or you know. All right. Thank you guys for watching this video all the way through. I appreciate you guys. And until next time, have a good one.